Hello and welcome to Vivid Travels. This is your first time, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Today, I'm going over the second half of the top 10 questions about Mykonos. Stay tuned.
Number 6, is Mykonos good for families, couples, or solo travelers? And to be honest, Mykonos is good for everybody. They have areas that cater to everyone, cater to families, and cater to couples. They have extremely romantic areas like restaurants where you can watch the sunset while enjoying dinner and wine, while solo travelers would have a blast meeting people from all around the world. We met quite a few people. We actually met some people from Canada, people from Texas, where we're from, and also people from the UK. So if you're willing to be social, you can find your crowd. And of course, it's going to be family friendly, safe, and have beautiful beaches that your kids can play at. Question 7. What kind of food should I try in Mykonos? Well, let me tell you, that was my favorite part of my entire trip. Of course, I'm a foodie, so that's to be expected. So some of the foods that you're going to want to try when you're in Mykonos include gyros. Oh my gosh, we had a gyro bowl at Greco's at Old Town, and it was amazing. You may also want to try souvlaki, and we tried that when we were on the beach. That was really good too. Any seafood is definitely going to be a green light. And of course, fresh salads, olives, and plenty of Greek wine. Number 8, can I visit Delos from Mykonos? Why, yes, and you absolutely should. Delos is an UNESCO World Heritage Archaeological Site, thought to be the birthplace of Apollo. It would add an incredible day trip to your Mykonos vacation. Number 9, what are the must-see spots in Mykonos Town, also known as Chora? If you go to Mykonos, you have to, believe me, trust me, you have to make a trip to Mykonos Town / the Old Port. It is pure magic, and there are so many things to do there. From visiting the streets of Little Venice and the restaurants where you can watch a magical sunset, to the Windmills of Mykonos. Of course, they are one of the famous sites on Mykonos Island. Maybe you want to go the historical route and visit the ruins of Mykonos Castle. Or maybe you want to do a shopping spree. There's so many things that you can do in Mykonos Town. It's definitely worth a visit. Number 10, what should I pack for Mykonos? Well, there are a number of things you're going to want to pack. Number 1, comfortable shoes. Make sure you pack anything that you would normally pack if you were going to a beach. Make sure that includes sunscreen, sunglasses, a hat, and light breathable clothes. Make sure you pack a jacket because at night it can get a little chilly because of the winds. If you plan on hitting up a club, of course, make sure you pack a slightly dressier outfit, as they may have a dress code. And of course, since I promised a bonus, number 11 is, do I need a visa? If you are coming from the United States, a visa is not required if you are staying less than 90 days. If you're staying more than 90 days, you are required to have a visa. So because we were only staying for a week, we didn't need a visa, we just needed our passports. So there you have it. The top 10 Mykonos questions answered, plus a bonus. I hope this video has given you a clearer picture of what to expect and has you even more excited about your trip to Greece. Mykonos is truly an island that has something for everyone. And with these tips, you're going to be ready to make the most of it. If this video is helping you plan your Mykonos adventure, or if you're just curious and wanted to know what some of the answers were, please make sure you hit that like button before you go. And if you're new here and want more honest, practical, and inspiring travel content, make sure you actually hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my videos. But I have a question for you. In the comments below, please let me know what's one of the first things you want to do when you take your trip to Mykonos. And if you really want to see what Mykonos is like on your own, go ahead and watch this vlog right here. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels.